In a magical forest filled with tall trees and sparkling streams, there lived a group of animals who were the best of friends. There was Bobby the bear, Molly the rabbit, Sammy the squirrel, and Danny the deer. They spent their days playing, exploring, and having adventures together. One day, as they were playing near a beautiful waterfall, they heard a loud noise coming from the other side of the forest.
Did you hear that?
I wonder what it could be.
Let's go check it out.
Yeah, let's go.
Curious, they decided to investigate. When they arrived, they found that a giant tree had fallen across the path, blocking the way for all the animals in the forest.
Oh no, how are we going to get through?
We have to do something.
Let's try to move it.
I think we can do it if we all work together.
The animals were worried because they relied on the path to get to the river to drink water and to the meadow to find food. They knew they had to do something to help. Bobby the bear suggested that they all work together to move the tree. So, the animals gathered around the tree and pushed and pulled with all their might. It was hard work, but they didn't give up.
Push harder, everyone!
We can do this if we don't give up.
Keep going, we're almost there.
I can feel it moving.
Finally, after much effort, they managed to move the tree out of the way. The animals cheered and celebrated their success. They had worked together and accomplished something amazing.
We did it!
I'm so proud of us.
Great job, everyone.
Teamwork really does make the dream work.
From that day on, they promised to always help each other and to never give up, no matter how hard things might seem.
I'm glad we're all friends.
Me too. Together we can do anything.
I'm so grateful for all of you.
Let's always stick together.
The animals learned that by working together, they could overcome any obstacle. They also learned the importance of friendship and helping others. And so, the animals in the magical forest lived happily ever after, knowing that they were stronger together.